ED problems affect an estimated half of all men between the ages of 40 and 70 to some degree, and it increases to 7 in 10 men over the age of 70. But whether it's a new issue for you or whether you've dealt with it for years, it doesn't have to become your new normal. Medical technician Andrew Reinhardt from Ridgeside Medical Clinic has more. Andrew, thank you so much for joining us. Let's just start off by telling us a little bit about your clinic.
Yes, Ridgeside Medical uses the most advanced form of something called acoustic wave therapy. Now, this is kind of a breakthrough because it treats the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction. It does not involve a pill or injection, so that means it restores normal and natural function by repairing blood vessels, getting the blood flow going where you want it, when you want it. We have helped thousands of men around the country restore spontaneity back into the bedroom.
Well, you touched on this, but I want you to tell me a little bit more about the unique treatment that you do have, really because you're not using the pills and the injections like you said. Can you expand on that a little bit?
Yes, the acoustic wave therapy is a technology that causes something called neovascularization, which basically is the regrowth of blood vessels. Now, we know that erectile dysfunction is a blood flow problem, so we're finally treating the root cause of the problem. And like you said, when you eliminate the pills, you're eliminating all of those side effects. So with just a few short treatments with our technology, about 10 minutes, you restore the normal function back into the relationship.
So why do some men then avoid treatment for ED?
Well, I think that ED is kind of tied to a man's sense of self-worth, our ego. So we're very hesitant to get it treated. And the majority of erectile dysfunction goes underreported, it goes untreated, and the relationship is what takes the hit and suffers. So think about this, 2 to 3 weeks from now, you could be done with the treatments rather than suffer for a lifetime. So it's critical to treat the problem.
Talk a little bit too about what science says about this treatment.
Well, our technology has been studied extensively. It is an FDA registered device. Cambridge has now studied this technology and showed that it has a very high success rate. The American Urological Association as well. So the science is sound. This is a medical breakthrough for ED, and it really does grow blood vessels where you need it most.
So what are patients' reactions after they visit you?
We love to hear feedback from the patients. Had a 77-year-old gentleman in the clinic the other day. He had been taking pills for ED for 10 years, was able to eliminate those pills completely just a week and a half into our treatments. And I'll tell you this, his wife was also very pleased. We got to remember, ED affects 2 people, so we love getting that feedback.
Well, you have a special offer for our viewers. Can you explain about that?
We do. If you're struggling with erectile dysfunction or your man is struggling, call us right now. There's a lot of value for free. We will do the initial assessment, exam, even the blood flow ultrasound to check those blood vessels, totally free, plus a little special gift that I think you'll really enjoy. It produces instant results in the bedroom. This is all free, about a $500 value to everybody that calls right now.
All right, Andrew, thank you so very much. Ridgeside Medical Clinic is dedicated to providing breakthrough ED remedies to men in the greater Denver area. All you have to do is call 303-499-6000 today for a free exam, blood flow, ultrasound, and a special gift with a value of almost $500, all at no cost when you mention Mile High Living. You can also visit them online at ridgesidemedical.com for more information. We'll be right back.